Hi guys, thanks for tuning into the channel. So today we are going to do another unboxing video. So this time we are not going to do an unboxing video for a car, but I've got myself a motorized rotating display from Mini GT, which is the 5-inch turntable motorized rotating display. So if you are a Mini GT collector or an enthusiast, I think this is a must-have in your collection to showcase your 1/64th scale Mini GT car collection as a collector. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so that's the turntable. As you can see, looks pretty neat. So this is powered by batteries. Okay, looks like I'll have to get a screwdriver to unscrew this screw, and then let me put up some batteries, and then let's switch this particular turntable on. Let's try to turn this on. Right, so it's working. So that's the Mini GT 5-inch turntable for you to display your 1/64th scale Mini GT car collection. So there you go guys, that's the Mini GT 5-inch turntable for you to display your 1/64th scale car collection. So that's a motorized rotating display that is released by Mini GT. So this is one version of it. There are a few other versions for you to choose from. So that's it for today's unboxing video guys. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to the channel so that you will get notified when we upload new videos. Until next time, thanks.